Hey everyone, Brendan Wiltse here. I'm on the East Branch of the Ausable River. I'm about to snorkel here to do some underwater photography. I'm at a location called Rock Cut Park. The section of river that I'm going to snorkel was the site of an ecological restoration project led by the Ausable River Association, Trout Unlimited, and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service several years ago. If I spin around, you can see this bank behind me here has all been restored with what's called a towwood structure. So there's a lot of roots and logs and that sort of thing extending into the river here, holding that bank in place and providing fish habitat. So I'm going to snorkel this whole section of the river today and see what I find. So I just got finished snorkeling. I didn't find anything too incredible. A couple of things to note. One is there's a lot of filamentous green algae in the bottom of the river right now. That's probably primarily due to the fact that it's been such a hot, sunny summer and the water is so low. So that algae has a lot of opportunity to get sunlight and warm temperatures, all the things that it needs to grow. I did find a lot of various minnow species, primarily black-nosed dace, so I'll have put several of those images up for you so far. So I'm still on the hunt for the elusive trout. You know, my number one thing that I would love to do this season, this summer, fall, is to get some incredible images of brook trout. I knew this particular location wasn't probably the best for that sort of thing today because the water is so low and also so warm. It's the beginning of September, but temperatures are still pretty high. I still have a few locations in my back pocket that I may visit soon to try and get those shots. So if you like this video, please hit the like button down below. And as always, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Until then, I'll catch you next time.